This looks cool. Oh, cool. Why that light is there? Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my show. So guys, a couple of weeks ago, I tried one of Karina Slime's on my channel, and it didn't work out. The people that made her book in New York saw my video, and they wrote me, and they sent me 2 of her books. I'm so excited. Guys, look at the books. So today we're reviewing Karina's books. So guys, I'll leave a link down below where you could buy these books. These are perfect for Christmas gifts. Even they're so fun to look inside. Even I ordered 2 more for my cousins. Guys, look at the back. It has everything that she does. Oh guys, this is cool how she made that. So let's look through the book, guys. So guys, this is her first slime book. It comes with 15 recipes. That's all borax free. Each book comes with a list with the recipes so that they're easy to find. I love how bright the pictures are. After every recipe is a little fact or story or tip. And everything is really easy to make. So this was really easy to read. Here are a few of my favorite recipes. And guys, I think we're gonna try this Cheeto one next time. You guys, Karina also did a DIY book. And there's 20 cool crafts and hats. Guys, and these pages are also bright and easy to read. And guys, if you love fidget spinners, you're gonna love this. Look how gross this is. This is so scary. Oh, fidget. Look at those fidgets. Oh, look at those fidgets. Okay, guys, again, if you love fidget spinners, here are fidget spinners from bottle caps. Look at these cool emojis. They're so cool. Can't wait to try these out. Actually, this emoji really looks really easy to make. Look at these cool hacks for school. They're cut out for fidget spinners. We will definitely be trying a ton of these on the channel. Guys, these ones look like skateboards and a bone, a dog bone. Wasn't that awesome? This is to be great for people's presents for Christmas. So guys, I thought we would try a recipe together. I know you guys hear my sister in the back in a lot of videos. I know you guys knew, a lot of you guys knew my sister was crying in my soda video. She's like, and there's one like this, and she's like this, and she's like, So this for my sister, we're gonna try Diaper Slime. And it's in the slime book. And it is on page 30. Okay guys, let me show you. Okay guys, here it is on page 30. So guys, that's really cool. In Karina's book, she breaks it in 2 parts, and it's really easy. She first tells us how to make the slime, and she tells us how to make diaper slime. And let me tell you what you need. So guys, it's to be so disgusting. What we will need is glue, water, baking soda, contact solution, some more water, a diaper, scissors, and mixing bowls and mixing spoons. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make the slime, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll do the diaper part. So I'm gonna use Karina's recipe on page 30. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we just made some slime. Okay guys, now we're gonna follow Karina's directions from the book to make the diaper slime. Karina said to pour 5 cups of water in the diaper. So that's what we are gonna do. I can't believe that how much water this soaks up. It doesn't feel even very wet. That was 5 cups of water. I can't even push it down. Look, if I push it down, it comes up. Look at it, that's so cool.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now. What?
Okay guys, here is the slime. Guys, you guys might think it's a little watery because I did that on purpose. Okay, I'm using it for a volcano science project. The crystals from the diaper are amazing. I just wanna smash my hands in it. If you guys want it like normal slime, do it like exactly in the book, not how like I did it. Check it out. I just wanna smell. Look at it. You shout out to this YouTuber. Oh my god! Last time when I made the soda video and it was a fail, she told me I used the wrong contact solution. So shout out to you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. This is gonna be amazing for my science project. Okay guys, that's the end of our video. If you'd like to give it a big slime thumbs up. Thank you so much for the publishing company for sending me the books. And I love them and we'll use them a ton of the videos. And Karina, thank you for writing them. They're so cool and it's making me have so much fun now playing with the slime. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a subscribe and don't forget to stay a little critic, and I'm so excited. See you later, alligators and crocodiles. Ooh.
Okay, Mom.
Look what I just broke.
Girl. Yes. Okay, Mom.
I just broke it. Oh my gosh. Oh my
See
white.
Joey. You want to see Joey?
Watch me whip. Watch me man that booty head.
Girl.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a